Hello, I'm going to be talking about my two projects. So for project one, I did the bank account. So lab 9, I improved upon it. And so this is what the GUI looks like. You could add a new customer or a new account. And for example, let's say that this customer's name is Kylo Martin. I'm going to say that he puts in a password. He will have to confirm his PIN, and if his PIN does not match, he'll get a message saying that the PIN doesn't match. You would have to retype it again. But once it's successful, or once it matches, you'll get a successful label and you'll be able to go back and type in your credentials. And then the two name fields are not case sensitive. And so here, if you type in the PIN wrong, it won't allow you in, obviously. But also, if for some reason you misspelled your name, it won't allow you in either. But once all your fields match, you could go back inside. Since that's a new account, it has a balance of 0. So you could add money. You could subtract. And for any reason, if you were typing a number and you decided to change your mind, you could just do clear instead of having to erase. Everything from there gets saved to this account.csv file. So there is a user that we just created, and here are a bunch of other users that I added and then tested with. I have 3 main logic files, one for each GUI. This is for the main account manager is what I called it, but this one's for adding a new customer. So the customer manager and transaction manager is what I called this one. So then for my second project, I did the TV remote. And so drag that over. Here I have the TV remote. You could power it on. You could flip through the channels by just typing in a number, or you could cycle through them and then it'll wrap around. So Disney is number 1 and CNN is number 9. You could just wrap around. You could raise the volume by the slider right there. You can mute it, unmute it. It'll go back to the same volume. If you have it muted and you increase, you will increase from 0. But then again, it'll do that. You could turn it off. And then in here, I have my main logic, a bunch of PMGs for assigning to the buttons. And yeah. So you can find this. There you go. Some takeaways, things that I've learned. I learned to work with the QPix map for setting the pictures in place. I also learned to work with the slider widget, which was very frustrating to get to actually work with the volume up and down. Um, in the accounts, the bank account uh, project one, I learned to use multiple GUIs for one program, and then I got a better grasp on doc strings and type hinting as I added them to both of the projects. Thank you for listening to my projects, and that's all I have. Thank you.